Okay, guys, I'm back again. I've been moving everything but my bowels. Back on the rapid tailstock caper, right? Now we're talking pot number 5. The pot's called Drill Chuck Rod. You can see the sign on each side here. I'm planning on how to make this drill chuck rod. Obviously, the same routine, paint by the numbers. Same routine. You're in my CAD system. The project is called Rapid Tailstock. Alright, we take another look at the mechanism. See the mechanism, the whole assembly, which you've seen multiple times, right? What I'm on now is, it's called a drill chuck rod. Pot number 5. See pot number 5? It's got a Jacobs taper. Goes into a chuck. See it? It goes into a 1/2-inch drill chuck. I'm giving you a look at item number 5, the drill chuck, and a 5/8 silver Deming drill, all assembled, alright? What I'm going to make here is item number 5. Alright? Let me take you over. Let me show you how I plan to do it. Let's see if it makes any sense to you. Hang on, I got a shitload of stuff here. Alright, the same routine. Now, stress proof, and I spelled that again wrong. Something wrong. I think I'm going to send my fingers out. I can't hit the keyboard right. 1144 stress proof. That's what item 5 is made of. You know, I bought it from McMaster Car, blah, blah, blah. Let's take a look, a good look at this. See this? That's like taking a look inside the chuck. You see item 5 assembled into the chuck, right? 1/2-inch drill chuck again. Here's what the finished product looks like. You see it right here? Item 5, straight diameter, Jacobs taper, right? 4 pieces, alright? Alright, let's go down. Obviously, the stock is, well, let me dimension, vertical. I'll give you the diameter anyways. 3/4 of an inch diameter. I keep forgetting all this bullshit. What I'm showing you here, you see, I'm going to cut the pot longer, obviously, than what the drawing calls for. See the red lines? That's the finished length. Alright? What I'm going to do is cut it longer, clean it all up, have it run through and face off. Approximately, a little bit off each end, right? I'm going to have a stop in the chuck so that I can get these 4 pieces within a couple of thousandths, 1 or 2 thousandths of each other, right? Now, while it's running in the chuck with a stop, I'm going to center drill both ends. You see it? Center drill on one end, flip it around against the stop, center drill on the other end. Everything's running concentric, alright? Then I'm going to take this sucker, put it in a milling machine, locate it, and punch this hole through it, right? The size doesn't matter at this point, I'll show you. Now I'm going to take it, now it's got center drilled holes in both sides. I'm going to get a 5C, 3-jaw chuck, a 5C collet, whatever. It's 3/4 of an inch diameter. I'm going to put it in against a stop. You understand? It's obviously the right end. I mean, they're all the same length with a center drill in it. In this end, I'm going to put a ball bearing center. You see it here? And what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to turn it. See with this? Here's my tool bit. I'm going to turn along here to the half-inch diameter that I want. Now it's going to have a little radius on the corner, right? And it's going to run nice and straight. And I'll have a stop here so that this will be just outside the chuck or the collar chuck or whatever, just outside a little, held by as much as you can, right? And turn them, 4 of them. They'll all be the same length, right? They'll all have a hole in them. I'll come in here with a tool and chamfer it. See it? These are all high-speed tools, right? Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to whip that sucker around. I'm going to put it in another 5C collet with a stop. I just put a screw there. There's multiple ways to set a stop in them, right? And I'm going to hang this out a short distance, right? Then I'm gonna set my compound using my wave compound sign bar. It's gonna be sticking out a short distance, nice and rigid. Won't need a center in it to support it or anything. Be nice and rigid. Then I'm gonna come in here, and I know what diameter by the drawing that this has to be. So, I'll just show you what I know that diameter has to be 6'9". Well, let me make another color so you can see it. That's got to be 694, so there's no magic here. You take this tool bit, and you get your compound set, and you dial it up. It's like turning a diameter. When you get to this, you'll know where you are. You get to that point, you're home. All right? That tape is the right diameter, and it's at the right length. Then I come in here, chamfer the end, see the end there with a chamfering tool, right? And there we go. There's your finished product, right? I'm going to go back up. I got the finished product right here. You see it in an assembly here, right? So, as far as I'm concerned, I think I got it covered, all right? And, hang on. Like they say, that concludes this evening's entertainment. You guys have a good day, all right? I'll catch you on the flip side.